Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you the Sunkissed Glowy makeup look. So, if you wanna see how I get this look, just keep watching. First, I just wanna fill in my brows. With Nichido Brow Pencil. Here I am priming my eyelid with Maybelline Concealer. This sponge is from Daiso, Japan. Now I'm setting my eyelids with Johnson's Baby Powder. For my transition shade, I'm using this bronzer from Sculpt and Glow palette. I'm using the darker shade bronzer for my outer V. On the center of my eyelids, I'm using this highlighter. Now I'm curling my lashes and applying mascara in the upper and on my bottom lashes. And for my foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Satan in the shade B2. I'm setting my face with Johnson's Baby Powder. I'm going to contour the rest of my face using the Sculpt and Glow palette. I'm gonna apply this blush for a sun-kissed effect. And I'm gonna highlight. For my lips, I'll be using 4 different shades. First, the lip and cheek tint, the shade Bloody Red. Second is one of my favorite shade, the Toasted Brown from Maybelline. Third is also from Maybelline in the shade Barely Nude. And lastly, from Avon in the shade True Color. And I am gonna highlight my lips. Thank you so much for watching. If you like, please remember to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!